clean boot with ms config. So guys, click to start and type run, click on, then type ms config, then click to ok, go to the services tab and click and hidden all, like, and click to disable all, then apply and then ok, and then without restart you complete all the method and restart. So click to start, go to setting, then click to system, troubleshooter, other troubleshooter, click to here, run. Okay, so you can troubleshoot your app store and all.
Then guys, click to start. In search box type control panel, then if view by category selected, so select large icon, then find out power options, click. After that choose force turn off, see closely, click, then click change advanced power setting, then slow down, find out sleep, extract, allow, and select disable, if so enable it, and then apply, and then ok, and then next method.
So is next check Windows update. So click to start, go to setting. Okay, so guys, if in the task Windows startup is setting is not showing, so you can search to type setting. Okay, you can click this like that. Okay, so this is your Windows 11 control setting option. So you just last one Windows update and then click to check for Windows and wait few seconds. It will be show which is you require Windows update in provide from the Microsoft. So might be with the .NET. Now this is the downloading, after that install. Okay, so .NET 3.0 and 4.8.1 with Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64-bit, and this is your key. So it will come different, so no worry, you just first of all download, and then now this is installing to my system. So this is download and install, this is different. Okay, download means you download from the internet to your system, install means now install your system with your OS operating systems. Okay, it will complete, then restart your system.